Hello, what I'm going to do really quickly is I'm going to walk through using Google Currents. I'm hoping this will be important and useful for those of you who have not yet joined, and just a good refresher for those of you who already have. I'm looking forward to reading your posts, and I'm looking forward to learning about you, your interest in rhetoric, your interest in persuasion and argument, and your interest in the environment. So first things first, let me share a screen with you. I'm going to share this screen right here. It has moved, and we'll go there right now. So this is the main page where I access my communities. Now, I built these groups, so I have joined them officially. What will be important to you is you remember you have to log in with your mail.csuchico.edu account in order to access these. In many cases, it takes you signing out of all your other stuff, certainly signing out of all your other Google stuff, your personal Google or whatever, in order to make sure that you're signed in via Wildcat Mail and perhaps the portal to your mail.csuchico.edu account. When that happens, you'll be given an opportunity to access all of these Google Apps for Education, and Currents is, of course, right here. Once you've joined Currents, it will appear in a kind of a main page that you see right here. And if I go to English 338W, you see there are several posts here already. So the whole idea of Google Currents is, of course, we can, in a discussion board format, share our thoughts and ideas and our developing notions of what rhetoric is and how people use rhetoric in environmental debates. What you'll see is that I have also created some places for us to post. These are categories, and once you actually write something, you'll be given the opportunity to put it in one of these categories. You'll see right now there's a week 1 post, there's a week 2 post, there's a week 3 post, and those are from the main schedule and the list of posts on our website. So in different kinds of ways, I'm hoping to start conversations here that you will then pick up in your writing later on. You know what's great about the kinds of apps that we're using. Of course, Google Apps for Education is free. Google Currents is one of those. So is Perusall. So what you do then is you take the ideas that you've been working with in Perusall. I ask you a series of questions where you apply some of those ideas, those theories, those terms to some of your own examples. And through that kind of process, I'm hoping to spur some ways of thinking that you can pick up on and actually start to use in both your analytical project, which is the first half of the semester, and your creative project in the second. So it all starts here. This is the kind of place where I will be reading and responding to your, it's free writing. It's your ideas. And that's the thing that I care most about at this particular stage, is not how well you've punctuated any number of these different entries, but whether you're doing the thing that I asked, answering the questions that I've given you and coming up with some good ideas or ways to connect it to your own life, to your own experiences, to your interests in the environment. So that's what it means to be in Google Currents. In another video, I'll explain how Perusall works for another look at the kinds of things that we'll be doing in this course. Okay, thank you.